Good morning, guys. Can you hear the rain outside? It's absolutely chucking it down. I've just got out the shower. I thought before we go to work this morning, I'm gonna pop a little bit of this on. So this is the Perfect Skincare Perfect You Kanzan. I have no idea how to pronounce this, but it's a cleansing antibacterial water. I'm really looking forward to finishing work today and having a complete pamper session. So I'm going to use this little Neutrogena Hydra Boost. I've had this in a bigger version before and I've absolutely loved it. Look how hydrated that has made my skin. I got this in a mystery bag. If you haven't seen my Twee mystery bag, my updated Twee mystery bag, I'll leave it up here and down below for you guys to check that out, because oh my god, she messaged me back on that video and it blew my mind. So yeah, I'm going to use some of the Charlotte Tilbury this morning. As you can see, guys, I have really been dipping into this, but it just leaves my skin feeling so nice and moisturized. Another product I got in the mystery bag, so this one is the Kaya, I think that's how I'm pronouncing it, I'm probably butchering it, and it's a Velvet Glow Sun Stick. And oh my god, look at the glow it gives my skin. And then this has been my best friend for a while. I am absolutely obsessed, so I do be needing to get some more. I'm gonna put this hair syrup in that I got in the Just My Look box. I'm looking Hagrid, very much so. So I believe you just put it like through your roots and then through the ends. Nothing's coming out. Why is still nothing coming out? Do I need to pierce the hole? What an idiot. Guys, I need help. 7 in the morning. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, it smells incredible, guys. Okay, now put it through the roots. Sorry about the angles here this morning, guys. I've just literally got you standing on a load of boxes. And if you can see any like bits under my armpits, I have just shaved my armpit. I'm just gonna drench the ponytail in it.
Ooh. What are you doing?
You can't see!
What are you putting on bloody YouTube?
Oh, my towel's slipped, guys, and the boobs are out.
You got your tits
He thinks they're on camera. You guys can't see them.
Oh my god.
OnlyFans. He thinks I'm on OnlyFans, guys. Right, that's my slick back bun all done, guys. I'm gonna get ready for work now and I will catch up with you guys later on. It's now 8 o'clock in the evening. That's why I'm looking a little bit disgusting. Basically, I finished at 5 o'clock, but then I had like 4 different check-ins that was like from 5:45, 6:30, 7:15, and then 8 o'clock. So it's time for me to just like chill out, relax. This is what I like to do on a Sunday. So as I showed you this morning, I put that hair oil in my hair. Use the Tresemme hair mask, but I'm not going to leave it in as long as I normally would, because this oil has been in all day. So yeah, I've had this oil. My hair smells gorgeous. I've been looking forward to like just having a little bit of me time. Probably leave it in for about 20 minutes. But I'm so ready to get into bed tonight. I'm gonna read some of my book, I think. I watched Friday night's Love Island. So to take my makeup off, I'm just gonna use this micellar water. Take my makeup off with that. I normally take it off with a cleansing balm, but I ran out last night. So I need to get myself some cleansing balm. This just feels so good. You know, taking your makeup off, it's like taking your bra off at the end of the day. I think I'm going to do a Q&A for next week's video. If you've got any questions you want to ask me, guys, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm definitely feeling like doing a bit of a Q&A. Dirty and gross, that is. Ugh. I'm going to use this from Murad. And it's the Environmental Shield. So it's got vitamin C exfoliation facial exfoliator, like that, and it's got like little exfoliating beads in there to exfoliate my face before I put any tan on it. Oh, I'm so looking forward to not looking so pale. Thumbnail. So I'm gonna put this nail polish on my toes, but you guys are not gonna see my toes because we're friends, but you're not seeing my toes. I'm gonna use the Eyelaw brow tinting thing. This is in black. Looks very greeny, but So I'm just gonna brush up my brows. Could do with actually going and getting them threaded and properly done, to be honest. But this way is just cheaper. And then I just do it quite messy, to be honest, and then just tidy it up. I used to be so scared about doing my brows myself because I thought, oh my god, what if I mess up? I'm gonna have really dodgy brows. It's not that deep. It's really not that deep if they mess up, because within a few days they fade. So it's not that deep. I'm just gonna go around them with a cotton bud and just tidy that up so it's nice and tidy. So this is my favourite mud mask. I absolutely blooming love this stuff. So good. I think I got it in like a mystery bag at some point. So it's the Innisfree pore clearing clay mask. Absolutely love it, and it's got super volcanic clusters in it. I've been using it to death and it's so good, you know, when you've got a breakout and stuff as well. So that's how we're looking so far. Cute, right? It's all about the ugliness before you get to the cuteness, but this is still cute. So I'm gonna just jump in the shower, do all what I need to do. I'm gonna paint my toenails, and then when we do the tan, which I'm gonna do this tan tonight, we're going to do the Bondi Sands tan. So this is a self-tanning foaming dark. It's salon quality, it's coconut scented. I'm hoping that it's got like a guide on it, like a colour guide, because I don't like the clear ones because you never know where you've put it. Yeah, I'm going to give this one a go tonight. So like I say, I've only been tanning for a while, so the ones that I've been loving is this one from Baddest Bod, which is a White Fox tanning mousse. So this is the Express Tan. Love this. You put it on for 3 hours and you've got a really nice dark tan. Really like this one. The other one that I really like is this one from St. Moritz. Again, this is a tanning mousse, and it's the medium one. This one is really good when you first put it on, and then you get up in the morning, you're like, oh my god, I'm so tanned. You get in the shower, and it's like, where's my tan gone? It literally disappears. I mean, it's still, you still got a tan, don't get me wrong, but it's not as good as the Guide Tan. So I tried this one from Be Perfect, and this is their Tan Studio in medium again. Love this. I just need to, what, how can I say? I just need to perfect how I put it on my hands and my feet, because they sometimes turn out a little bit dodgy. I'm not gonna lie, they do turn out a little bit dodgy. So this is a body scrub that I've been using, and as you can tell, I've used quite a lot of it. So it's the Ashton and Moore Honey Ginger Exfoliating Body Scrub with natural exfoliating particles in it. I got this for I think £2.99, and it's as big as my head. I got it for £2.99 in Home Bargains. So I love you all to bits, but you're not coming in the shower with me, guys. My paleness skin before I put the tan on, and let's just see what it looks like once I put the tan on. So I'm going to put it on and then I'm going to show you. So this is a before, and then I'll show you after. Good morning, guys. This is how the tan has turned out. Obviously this is just the guide colour, so I'm gonna jump in the shower in a minute. But yeah, this is how it's turned out. Not really got much dodge on the hands, a little bit around the knuckles, but it looks a little bit worse on camera than it actually does in real life. This tan is so good. So I put this tan on last night that I got in the Just My Look box. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna look out for those edits. Those boxes are so good. Like I say, this is the guide colour. These pyjamas, by the way, if you want to know where they're from, it's Temu. Of course it is, it's me, so it's Temu. I need to like sort out all of my pyjamas and stuff like that, because some of them I've had for a while, and when you buy them from like Primark, TikTok, Temu, Shein, they last a few months and then you just chuck them out and get new ones. So I'm gonna wait it out until probably around about September, October, and then get myself some wintry pajamas. But yeah, I think I've got a Temu haul coming, so that'll be in the next video. But oh my god, love this. You know when you first wake up, like I'm new to doing the whole tanning thing. I've only just started doing it this summer. I'm obsessed with it. It's true what they say, once you start tanning, you fall in love with it. So yeah, I have fallen in love with it. But the only thing that I love about it is when I first wake up and I look so tan, like I've been on holiday. I don't mind the way I look this morning. I've literally just rocked up out of bed. I'm about to go and get ready and go to work. It's Sunday, so you guys probably won't see this video this week until Monday, because it's just been me on site. Tony's gone and he's watching the bike racing at Donington Park, and the new wardens, oh my god, the new wardens, oh my god, they are so lovely. I really love them. They've only been here for a week and it's like we've clicked straight away, which is amazing. So yeah, I'm really happy about the new wardens, and I can see them being here for a long while with me and Tony. Fingers crossed, I really hope so. But yeah, we've really clicked with them really well. So they've actually gone, I know they've only been here a week, but they've gone this weekend camping, because it's a family party and stuff, and they already had that booked. So your girl's been looking after the whole park all by herself. So hence why this video didn't go up yesterday, which was Sunday, which was meant to go up. But Monday I'm only working till 12:30, so I'm having a little bit of a half day. And then Tuesday and Wednesday I'm off, and I'm gonna be filming for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna have plenty of content up, but I just thought I'd show you the tan this morning. I'm gonna jump in the shower and get ready, and I'll show you what the tan looks like when I've jumped out of the shower. But yeah, I quite like this. I did hear really good things about Bondi Sands, and like I showed you yesterday, of all the other tans that I've been trying. I think this one's my favourite for now, because obviously I've only just put it on last night, but I'm liking the results. Like this morning, my hands look pretty good, my feet look pretty good, to be honest. I've not got that really dodgy tan around my ankles or anything. The only place I do find that I'm getting dodgy tan is on my elbows, which I use body scrub and I'll use like moisturisers and stuff like that, but I still seem to get it on my elbows just a little bit. Like, what's this elbow looking like? Like this one's not too bad, to be fair. That one's not too bad. What's this one looking like? See, that one's got a little bit of like clingage where it's clung around my elbow, but it's not major bad, because once you have a shower a couple of times and you moisturise and stuff like that, I've been noticing that it dies down a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna jump into the shower and get myself ready for work. So yeah, this is the tan, guys, and I am super happy about it. But I love you guys so much. Please, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button, because it means the absolute world. Give me a thumbs up for this video and hit the notification bell so you're updated every single time I upload a video, which is once a week here on my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I might jump on actually once I've had a shower, just to show you what it looks like. I'll probably jump on actually once I've been in the shower, wash the guy colour off, and give you back, guys, like the proper reveal of how this tan is going to look. But I'm really hoping, I've got really high hopes for this. It's not hung around like my ears or anything, or around my nose. But yeah, I'm really loving it. So I've just got out the shower, guys, as you can tell. But yeah, this is the tan after getting out of the shower. I'm not going to show you my back because I didn't have Tony here, so I couldn't do my back. But yeah, it's looking pretty good, to be honest. I mean, the hands on camera are giving a little bit orange around the knuckles, but in real life they don't look that bad. I am in a towel, so yeah, that's the tan done. So I feel, you know, when you've had like, you've done your brows, you've done, I mean, I've washed my hair, but it's just gone up, it's so hot. We've had another heat wave here in the UK and it's been like 30+ degrees. So glad we've got aircon in the office, so glad. But this morning, because obviously Tony's not here, I'm gonna go and clean all around the bins, empty the bins this morning. I'm going to clean the Elson points where people put their toilet waste down. So yeah, I've got to clean all that this morning. I've got to clean the dog shower, water all the plants, and I've got to clean the toilet and shower blocks all by myself this morning. So I'm gonna be a sweaty, messy mess when I finish this afternoon. So I'm in the office after that up until 5 o'clock. Because we'll have people departing, we've got some more people coming in. Obviously it's high season now, so we've got more people coming in on a Sunday than what we normally would. But yeah, the weather is really hot, and I'm the one to say it, I can't wait till autumn, guys, because this heat is no joke. It's like I can't even sit outside in it. It's just too much. It's just too much. It's just too hot. It's not like when it's abroad, you've got that lovely breeze and you can jump in the pool and stuff like that. This just feels like Satan has come for a while. It is so hot. Like taking Maisie out for a wee and stuff, I'm just picking her up, putting her on the grass, letting her have a wee, and bringing her back into the office where the aircon is, and then taking her for her big long walks in the evening when it's really cooled down, about 10 o'clock in the evening. So yeah, before it gets even hotter, I'm gonna, well, it's kind of cloudy at the minute, the sun's not out, so I'm gonna quickly go and get dressed, put my makeup on, get ready for the office, take Maisie for a little walk before the sun comes out. And yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna be, like I say, do the bins, Elson points, toilet blocks all by myself, because those lot have just kind of up and left me. But yeah, they're all working Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I've got it off, so it's a win-win. But yeah, like I say, the new wardens are really nice, really getting to know them, and yeah, everything seems perfect now. So we seem like a really nice team. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. We just didn't, you know, in a small team you need that click, you need that connection, and I think we've got that with our new warden, so I'm super happy. I'm gonna go and get ready because Maisie has just had her breakfast, so she'll want to go out for a little walk before the sun decides it's gonna burn us all. But yeah, I love you all so much, and I will catch you in next week's video, guys. Bye.